Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Before we get started, we have a surprise for our supporters. When our channel reaches 100 subscribers, we'll randomly draw one lucky viewer from our supporters to give away a JNBPAW LG-3080 inverter. Participation is simple and open to everyone. Simply subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. You can leave a comment like what would you do if you won this inverter? Or why do you need this inverter? Below the video. When our channel reaches 100 subscribers, we'll randomly draw one lucky winner from the comments section of this video. The drawing process and results will be shared in a separate video, along with the winner's name. Let's get back to the point. In this video, we'll explore what is electrical no-load loss, and how JNBPAW solves the problem of electrical no-load loss. When you install power from devices like an onboard charger, inverter, or solar PET controller in your car, they still consume some power, even when not in use. This phenomenon is called standby power consumption. Each device typically consumes 5 to 8 watts of power, and when all devices are combined, the total power consumption can reach 20 to 30 watts. This is quite significant. To put it in context, 1 hour of idle power consumption 30 watts, 10 hours 300 watts, 100 hours 3 kilowatts of idle power consumption. Even if the battery isn't used in just 4 days, the battery will lose 3 kilowatts of charge. After a week of inactivity, the battery will be completely depleted. Furthermore, standby power consumption often accelerates the aging of cables. Therefore, avoiding or reducing power loss is crucial because these devices constantly drop power simply by being connected to a battery. Completely eliminating power loss requires completely removing the device and installing it when needed. This is extremely inconvenient. Let's look at how the JNBPAW V3 system addresses this issue. While JNBPAW can't completely eliminate power drain, it can significantly reduce it. If no devices are operating, the T3 system will enter sleep mode after 7 hours of monitoring. This sleep mode reduces power consumption to just 0.0 to 5 watts. This allows JNBPAW batteries to be stored for extended periods under standard conditions. They can maintain a certain amount of power, even after a year of inactivity. If the battery is occasionally recharged during this time, deep discharge will not occur. When you need to charge, using a car charger or solar power, there's no need to manually activate the device. When it detects the solar panel is operating or the input voltage returns to normal, it automatically exits sleep mode and resumes normal operation. This concludes our discussion of device standby power consumption and the T3 Intelligent Management System. In the next episode, we'll explain why electrical appliances often use less power than their rated value. Thank you for watching.